kita akan membahas tentang satu perkara yang sangat biasa bagi kita, tetapi luar biasa bagi orang asing. Apa yang menjadikan Malaysia begitu istimewa bukan hanya pada bangunan tinggi, bukan juga pada kemajuan fizikal semata-mata, tetapi pada sikap keramahan rakyat Malaysia. Bagi kita, senyum itu biasa, menegur itu perkara biasa, menolong orang yang tidak dikenali juga sesuatu yang normal. Namun bagi orang asing, perkara inilah yang menyentuh hati mereka. Melalui media sosial, kita dapat melihat bagaimana mereka berkongsi pengalaman, bagaimana layanan orang Malaysia membuatkan mereka rasa dihargai, selamat dan diterima sebagai manusia. Yang menyedihkan, kita sebagai rakyat Malaysia jarang berkongsi kisah-kisah seperti ini. Mungkin kerana tidak ramai pencipta kandungan yang mengangkat isu sebegini. Tapi jangan risau, Arus Perdana hadir untuk mengangkat cerita-cerita menarik tentang Malaysia. Pengalaman orang asing di bumi ini, nilai-nilai yang boleh kita banggakan, dan keunikan Malaysia yang jarang diceritakan. Kami mahu dunia melihat Malaysia seperti mana ia dirasai, bukan seperti gambaran media barat yang sering merendahkan dan menyelewengkan realiti. Teruskan menonton. Semoga kisah ini memberi inspirasi dan menimbulkan rasa bangga menjadi rakyat Malaysia.
This is what I like about Malaysia after 1 month in the country. Well, actually, a little bit more than 1 month. The number one thing I like the most, the people. People are very nice, people are smiling, people are generous, are always willing to help. Just saying that you are a foreigner and you come from outside, people are like welcoming you with open arms. The second thing is how developed the country is. Right now, I am in Kuala Lumpur, the capital city. It feels like being in America. Very developed country, but at the same time, having a cost of living that is much lower. So everyone who's looking to reduce expensive but still keep that comfort, that Western comfort, can literally live here and have a good life. The number 3, I would say the food. The culture around food is very strong here. They have many different variety of foods. I have tried a couple already. I know there's much more than that. And usually I forget the names, by the way. But there's so much good food here to try, to taste. And then you have everything around nature. Nature is very beautiful here. I haven't seen many things, but if I go to East Malaysia, I'm definitely gonna fall in love pretty sure regarding what everyone is saying about it. And then the last thing is the diversity. Once you will come to Malaysia, you will understand that it's not only a Muslim country, but there is also Indian culture, Chinese culture. There's like a mixity of people living together that creates a like-minded mentality. That makes it a country that I would consider living for a long time. If I wanted to stay after traveling to many countries, I would definitely consider Malaysia as one of the countries where I could settle for longer. And it's pretty easy to come here, by the way. When I arrived, they put like 90 days on my passport. Right away, it was very easy. Compared to all of the countries around, just 1 month, 15 days, 30 days, Malaysia makes it much easier. I don't understand why there are so little foreigners here. I just don't understand.
Ramahan orang Malaysia merupakan satu perkara yang sangat biasa bagi rakyat tempatan. Namun bagi orang asing, ia adalah sesuatu yang luar biasa dan sukar dipercayai. Ramai pelancong dan warga asing yang datang ke Malaysia pada awalnya hanya berniat untuk melancong atau singgah sementara. Namun sebaik sahaja mereka berinteraksi dengan masyarakat setempat, persepsi mereka mula berubah. Senyuman yang ikhlas, sapaan mesra walaupun tidak saling mengenali, serta kesediaan untuk membantu tanpa diminta menjadi pengalaman yang meninggalkan kesan mendalam dalam hati mereka. Keramahan ini dapat dilihat dalam pelbagai situasi harian, di kedai makan, di jalanan, di pengangkutan awam atau di kawasan pelancongan. Rakyat Malaysia seringkali tidak keberatan untuk menunjukkan jalan, memberi cadangan, malah menemani orang asing sehingga mereka benar-benar sampai ke destinasi. Bagi masyarakat Malaysia, perbuatan ini dianggap sebagai adab dan nilai kemanusiaan yang biasa. Namun bagi orang asing, layanan sebegini jarang berlaku di negara asal mereka, sehingga ada yang berasa terharu dan keliru dengan kebaikan yang diterima tanpa sebarang kepentingan. Reaksi orang asing terhadap sikap ini kebanyakannya dizahirkan melalui media sosial. Mereka berkongsi pengalaman, menceritakan bagaimana rakyat Malaysia membuatkan mereka berasa selamat, dihargai dan diterima sebagai manusia, bukan sekadar pelawat. Ironinya, kisah-kisah positif ini sering datang daripada orang luar, sedangkan rakyat Malaysia sendiri jarang mengangkat dan berkongsi keindahan nilai ini secara konsisten. Kekurangan kandungan. yang memfokuskan kepada aspek kemanusiaan inilah yang menyebabkan keunikan Malaysia kurang diketengahkan di peringkat antarabangsa. Keramahan orang Malaysia sebenarnya memberi kesan yang besar terhadap imej negara. Ia membentuk persepsi bahawa Malaysia bukan sekadar sebuah negara membangun, tetapi sebuah masyarakat yang berjiwa besar, beradab dan menghormati sesama manusia. Inilah sebab mengapa ramai orang asing ingin kembali ke Malaysia. Malah ada yang memilih untuk menetap lebih lama. Keramahan ini menjadi bukti bahawa keunikan Malaysia terletak pada rakyatnya dan ia wajar diketengahkan agar dunia mengenali Malaysia yang sebenar, bukan seperti gambaran negatif yang sering dibentuk oleh media barat.
Why do Americans love Malaysia? Today I will answer that question. Hello everyone, welcome to another Traveling Solo Log. It's me Solo, back at you with another video. I'm American and I love Malaysia. Today I want to give you my top 5 reasons why I love this beautiful country. I'm sure there are many other reasons, so let me know down below why you love Malaysia. So reason number 1, this is not in order, but reason number 1 is Malaysia is multicultural, which I love because if you know America, we're multicultural as well. Malaysia has 3 major races of people. They have the Malays, they have the Chinese, and Indians. Also, they have other ethnic groups as well, but those are the 3 top races of people. So since it's multicultural, many Malaysians can speak different languages, such as Mandarin Chinese, Tamil, Malay, or English, which is great for me. Being a traveler coming to Malaysia, I speak English, of course, coming from America, that I can easily communicate with people. I'd say 90% of the Malaysians could speak basic English, which is great. I never had a problem communicating with people. And then also, since it's multicultural, you're going to experience so many different types of foods over here from all over the world. And food here is very reasonably priced. So I'd say reason number 2, because I just said 1. So reason number 2 is Malaysia is food heaven. You're going to get mixed food from all over the world. Any type of food you want, they have it in Malaysia. One of their famous dishes here is called nasi lemak, which I believe is their national dish. It's rice with an egg, some peanuts, anchovies, and sambal sauce. It's very nice and very delicious. The basic one you get for less than $1. Yes, less than $1. You believe that? I don't know where in the world you could get delicious food for less than $1. Where I come from in America, if I want to get the same food, 4 times the price, probably like, I don't know, $4, $5. And I'm telling you, they have their own type of sub. They have this thing called roti john. They have Ramly burger, which is their own type of burger. They have a lot of delicious food. Oh, just think about the food in Malaysia. It makes me hungry right now. I want to go outside and get some food. The third reason why I love Malaysia is Malaysia has one of the best environments for nature. So if you love nature, come to Malaysia. They have monkeys. They have beautiful green trees. I was just in Penang, near Penang Hill, where I saw a beautiful view of the city. A lot of trees. It was nice just being over there. The air was nice and clean. And also, because of its nature, it has a tropical environment. So most of the year it's hot and also really warm. So it's really nice in the winter when a lot of people are cold, like back in my home city in America, a lot of people are freezing. They're cold right now.
Keramahan orang Malaysia bukan sesuatu yang direka untuk tontonan. Ia lahir secara semula jadi daripada adab, budaya dan nilai kemanusiaan. Apa yang bagi kita biasa, rupanya menjadi kenangan paling bermakna bagi orang asing. Senyuman kecil, bantuan ringkas dan sapaan mesra telah membentuk pandangan mereka tentang Malaysia. Inilah keunikan yang jarang disedari dan inilah cerita yang wajar kita banggakan. Melalui arus perdana, kami akan terus mengangkat kisah-kisah sebenar tentang Malaysia. Bukan seperti yang digambarkan oleh media barat, tetapi seperti yang dirasai oleh mereka yang pernah menjejakkan kaki ke bumi ini. Jika kisah ini memberi makna, kongsikanlah agar dunia mengenali Malaysia yang sebenar. Terima kasih kerana menonton.